Hi everyone, it's me Jules. You know guys, I bought these clothes from Okay Okay, and look, it's still brand new. It's H&M. You know, I still got a tag on it. So I bought this one for like $2. See, look at that. Love it. Para siyang butterfly. Yeah, nice, no? Ayan. Maganda siya. Maganda siya pag naka-long pants ka, diba? Another one, maganda siya, no? Pack. Pack. Yan. Maganda siya, guys. Ayan. Bagets na bagets. Diba? Para kung suman. Pero fit naman siya. Ipipilit talaga. Kailan naman na siya, oh. Maklose pa naman. Ayan, oh. Diba? Close pa naman. Gusto ko to. Ano? Ganyan, diba? Kasi, winter is coming. Ayan. Pwede na siyang ano yan, over. Oh, no. Perfect. Look. Perfect talaga sa shoulders. Ayan, diba? Yeah, love it. Love it. Hindi siya maliit na siya. O yan, Beverly, sa'yo na to. Parang maliit eh.